Hello, guys. Today I'm going to talk about the match coming up between Southampton and Manchester United this weekend, 27th of August. Uh, there are a number of things I can talk about which are currently talk of the town. Currently, first thing is United performance during this current season, and also what has been happened in the past. Point is noted that last time Southampton has beaten Manchester United, it was during 16-17 season where they beat United 1-0 at Old Trafford Stadium. Now we see a different United team in the last match. Although we had two surprising results, the first two games of the season where United lost, but still United made a big comeback against Liverpool, and we saw a result which was not expected by many of us. And although after that, those two games, people started to talk that we might able to lose the bottom side of the table this time around. But United has come back, and we have saw the game against Liverpool, the way players shows their class and their ability to play in a big matches was incredible. I can say that even though the top gun, especially Ronaldo, was not in the starting 11, and in fact he joined in the match last 5 minutes or so, we can still say that energy in the team was incredible. There was chances created and chances taken. Liverpool may not be expecting this kind of United after losing uh, first two matches against relatively lower level team like as the standard of United. But nevertheless, now United has make their mark with the bank. Now we have to see what will happen in the future. So this Southampton match is going to be, it should not be a very difficult one, but we have to think about the combination. Are we going to see a change in the winning combination, which led United to create chances in the first half and also provide a base for the victory against Liverpool? Or are we going to see a change and bring in the world best striker currently, Ronaldo, in the team, in the starting 11? That is the question which need to be answered. On the other hand, Southampton has a record against United, which is not very impressive, and currently they have conceded 98 goals against United over the past years. And if United able to score two goals, that will be Southampton will be the fifth team in the uh, Premier League history that has conceded 100 goal against Manchester United. So that is something we have to keep. Nevertheless, Southampton still not be an easy target for Manchester United, and a game because at the level of Premier League right now, we have to be at our best to perform and win matches. As we see that there has been energy level quite high, morale quite high for Manchester United, and I can see, uh, I as per my prediction, and again This is just a prediction. Please do not bet on based on my prediction. I can see a game in favor of Manchester United, and the winning score could be 2-0 or 3-0. Could be 2-1, but United, I can see United has the upper hand in the match. So the thing is, how far things will go, how far people will see the match. We have to wait on Saturday, 27th of August, and until then, I would like to thank whoever watched my video, and do comment about your feeling about the match. Thank you. Bye bye.